In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hero section in Dreamweaver. First, let's start by opening Dreamweaver. This is the software you'll be using to build and edit your web page. Once Dreamweaver is open, you can see the main interface where all the magic happens. Now create or open your HTML page. If you're starting from scratch, go ahead and create a new HTML file. If you already have an existing page, simply open that file within Dreamweaver. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for where your hero section will be placed. Next, click on Split View. This is important because Split View allows you to see both the code and the design layout simultaneously. It gives you a real-time preview of your changes, which can save you a lot of time and effort. With Split View ready, you can have a clear view of your work, allowing for more intuitive editing. Once Split View is active, add the following code inside the body of your HTML. Type a section tag with the class Hero. Inside this tag, add an H1 header with the text "Welcome to my website." Then include a paragraph that reads "Create amazing websites with Dreamweaver." Finally, add a button that says "Learn more." This is your hero section's basic structure. You've now established the core content that will grab visitors' attention when they land on your page. After adding the HTML content, let's move on to styling it. Add this CSS code inside the head section of your HTML. Use a style tag to define your CSS. Start with the hero class. Set the height to 400 pixels and give it a light blue background. Center the text and add padding of 100 pixels top and bottom and 20 pixels on the sides. This CSS gives your hero section a pleasant and professional look. Good design is key to engaging users, and here the blue background adds a calming effect. Now style the H1 within the hero class by setting its font size to 40 pixels. This makes your header stand out, catching the user's eye right away. Next, style the button by adding padding of 10 pixels top and bottom and 20 pixels on the sides. This provides a balanced and clickable button that encourages users to take action. With the HTML and CSS in place, it's time to save your file. This step is crucial to ensure that all your changes are stored and can be viewed later. Simply press Ctrl+S or go to File and select Save. You've now secured all your hard work. Finally, to see the results of your efforts, click on Live View or press F12 on your keyboard. This will present a live preview of your web page with the newly added hero section. It's rewarding to see your work come to life, with the hero section beautifully displayed on the page. By following these steps, you've successfully created a hero section in Dreamweaver. This section will serve as a welcoming gateway for your website visitors. Remember, a well-crafted hero section can make a significant difference in user engagement. Keep experimenting with different styles and content to see what works best for your website. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!